First, I heated up a potato. I wanted to see if it would explode like I've heard from the stories, but nothing really happened.
It just cooked.
I threw it on the ground and Rocky, our dog, ate it.
Oh no. Now we're gonna do an egg.
Then I decided to try an egg. I've done an egg in the past and it has exploded. This time was no different. One of our own chickens laid this egg, so it was a harder shell than the ones you can buy in the store.
Whoa. Boy, look at this. Wow. What a mess. And now for what you've been waiting for. A basketball.
I started by putting about a cup of water in it and then filling it with air to about 10 psi. The water turns to steam, which occupies more volume, which is why it explodes. After this, I jammed it into the microwave. I had to kick it a bit. Then I microwaved it for about 10 minutes.
Rocky.
It kinda got hot after this. It smelled like a basketball that's been left in the sun for a while.
Run!
Now the result of this next 10 minutes was really insane. I did not expect it to be this violent.
Well, you saw what happened. Don't attempt to microwave a basketball. Our entire microwave just like exploded. That was insane. The door went all the way over here. That was insane.
Do you know that when you heat food in the microwave, it eventually gets hot? But do you know why it gets hot? Because you heated it in the microwave.